Welcome. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to disable direct chat in your Roblox experience, so you can enjoy a quieter and safer time while playing. Whether you're a parent looking to protect your child or just want to focus on gameplay without distractions, these updated steps will help you turn off direct chat in just a few moments. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox app on your device. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to update. Once you're on the main screen, look for the three dots icon labeled More at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on that to open up the menu. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various account options. Now tap on Privacy and Content Restrictions. Here, you'll find all the controls you need to manage who can interact with you while you play. Under the Privacy settings, tap on Communication. This section is where you control how you interact with other players in Roblox. Look for the option labeled Experience Chat and tap on it. This is where you can adjust who can chat with you directly in any Roblox experience. In the Direct Chat section, you'll see several options for who can contact you. To fully disable direct chat, select No One. This ensures that nobody will be able to send you direct messages while you're in a Roblox experience. Once you've chosen No One, your settings will save automatically. That's it. You've now disabled direct chat, giving you more control over your privacy and in-game experience. If you ever want to change this setting in the future, just follow these same steps and pick the option that works best for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends or family who play Roblox. Enjoy your next adventure with fewer distractions and more peace of mind.